Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever time you're seeing this video. So here we're going to begin over the basics of CSS or CSS in general. So first of all, CSS stands for, it's an abbreviation for cascading style sheet, and then it's used to add styling to the website, and it gives color and it beautifies the website. Basically, that's basically the work of the CSS. And we talked about HTML, HTML tags, and the rest of them. So now we're going to be going over CSS, and then all CSS files ends with .css. So if I'm creating a new file now, if I'm creating a style sheet for the class, what I have to do is class.css, and then I have this. So down here I tell the code editor, VS Code, that this is the CSS file, and then I can go back to start. So in CSS there are three types of styling, or when styling website generally there are three types of styling, which is the inline styling, the external styling, and the internal styling. So first of all, let's start with the inline styling. Inline styling is something like this. So we have color, red. So this is inline styling, and then there's also this internal styling rather, that you have inside the style tag, and then we can do like a container, color, red. Then the last one, which is external styling, is this one we have here, which you can do container, color, red. Okay, so now in CSS in general, not like external styling in general, there are also three ways you can style. So you can start with the tag name, which is this. So you can start all these tags, and then you can start with the class name, you can start with the ID. So now this is it. Now let's say I have a class name of title, and then better still color since it's default HTML. So taking it out, and then expand it a little bit. So now in here we can decide to have an ID of mass here. So there is ID for numerous things, both in JavaScript and in CSS. So going over here now, so let's say we want to style all the P tags. Okay, basically we have to P tags, but let's style all the anchor tags, which is this. So just the name of the tag, and then your parentheses. And the reason why I'm specifying that is so that it can have better formatting, so it can be more readable and all. So let's start with one quarter, and then let's give it the color of red. Maybe take the direction of normal, so I can get the underline that in there, and then some other styling. Then the second type of styling is the ID styling, which is you have a hash, this dollar sign, and then mass, because this is the only ID we have here. Sorry. So in here, then with this now, I can do something like I can basically use color blue, yeah, so that the other anchor tags has red, but this mask has blue, and then the last one is class styling. So with the class styling, we just add the dots of the full stop, and then the name of the class, which is like this. Then with this now, I give it the color of gray. So with that being said, these are the three ways to style in CSS. So whichever one you want to utilize, that's up to you. And then you can give different tags a particular class name. Let's see, I can also call this the class title also. So it takes this color green instead of this blue. So when you're done with your CSS styling, all you have to do is to come to this place and import it, or then you can still import before doing anything. So link style sheet. So you're telling it that okay, this is actually a style sheet, like you're styling the web page, not just anything. So make sure you have the styles of CSS because it's inside our folder. But now we're not using styles of CSS, even though we have styles of CSS. Now we're using class.css because here we need the colors of CSS. And then it's a self-closing tag, so we're closing it this way. Then we go over to spin up our server. So now we have this. I look at this green, and this is green, which is this title now. Green. Then we have the blue, which is this for this because of this ID. And then we have the green again because of this color. And if we take this out, it refreshes and this goes back to the normal red because we're styling all the anchor tag red. Yeah, so that's it for that. Moving forward, in CSS there's something called flexbox. So let's say you have a bunch of p tags displayed vertically. Let's take this for instance. School college, university, online courses. Yeah, so with this now, if you check out, usually they have been displayed on in the vertical manner, which is the default display for any website. But then we can also make it to be displayed horizontally like this. The reason why this is displayed like this is because they are all anchor tags. Otherwise, they're supposed to be displayed vertically. So here we give it the class name of schools. Now come here and then we have the style for class name, full stop, then schools. Then we have the display of flex. You see now arranged horizontally, but then on the contrary we can also want to display them vertically. So the flex direction can be column. So here now, where this now is displayed vertically, where this will be useful is if you're starting for smaller screen. So for instance, the mobile screen is display flex row. Okay, then there is this one. So the row is back to the horizontal display. So with this flex direction row, it still displays horizontally. But now, where the flex direction column will be useful is when you're styling for
smaller screens. Let's say you're done with the desktop view and then you want to start a smaller screen. So with that now, you would smaller screen, I mean like the display on your phone. Okay, this is what smaller screen looks like. Here it is. So on your phone now, you might want to display it vertically. So this is where this part comes in. But for now, we'll be coming to that. So let's continue. So here you can see they are condensed together, jump back together, which is going to be very nice user display. So all we have to do is come here and then add gap of like 10%. Then we have this kind of gap. You can see there, and here so we can still give it the background color. We don't talk about background color of light gray. So we have something like this. Then you can see here now there's no space in here, there's no padding here. You can have a padding, either a padding left of 5%. So this is on the left, so we can have a padding top, a padding right of 5% so then we can have a padding top of 2%, because we already have 6 at the top, so you can see now we have a padding bottom of 2%. So now we're not going to be using padding top and padding bottom because space is very much. So but then also you can make the padding uniform, so you can do padding 5% and then both the top left, you can see now both the top left, right, both the top left, bottom and right has the padding of 5%. Then also we can also remove this gap and then display all the elements with the appropriate spaces, so we can do justify content space between. So with this space between now, you can see they are justified very well, they are spaced out very well. So with that now, you can see that on the left and the right there are no spaces. We can have padding left 5% and then padding right 5%. So you can see that it's well arranged. So that's for flexible. There's also another one called grid. So the grid now is we have multiple elements and then you show that they can let's say you have like 10 objects to display. Using the flexbox to just one line and it's not going to be a very nice display. So let's say we have about something like this. This is 4, so just go ahead and copy and paste. And then let's see the outcome. So yeah, you can accommodate this, but let's say we need on mobile screen. It's my work because it's quite bulky. Yeah, so what I will use here is just change this display to grid, and then instead of justify content space between, I'll be having something like grid templates columns, and I'll have repeat for one now. Before we go back to the drawing, this now is like saying display 4 elements in a single row. So one row will have 4 elements being displayed on the next row. We have this thing. What do they call it? The next row will also have 4 elements inside of it. So with that now, let's see our display. So you can see now we have 4 inside of it. Then change it to like 3. The same thing happens. So we have 3 instead of 1, and then the last 2. So if we keep adding more to this place, but let's make it a uniform value, which is 9. So with this 9, we can have something uniform. So whichever way, we can also make this 5, and then see how it's going to display 5 in 1. We can make it 6. Let's see what happens. You can also make it whichever number you want to make it, or depending on the UI UX design that was actually given to you. So that's for grid. Now let's also talk about background image. So there are some websites you see, and then an image is on the background. So let's say we have a background image of that. So now we don't have a background image now in. Okay, let's get an image online. So random background image. Save image. So let's move this to the folder project is inside. And then so images.jpg. Okay, this is basic, just one thing. So if we view what we've done, yeah, look at it. The image is now there, and then look at this part now. It's very close to the mathematics, science, history, and programming. There's something called margin top. So we have margin top. Let's see, margin top of like 1%. And then step down also. We can also have a margin bottom of 1% too. Yeah. So also we can also, there's a website that the egg copy. So border radius, of, let's say 10 pixels. This is it. Then we can also give this a width. Now one thing you should know is that when styling CSS, once you give your body, let's say on the top of everything now, giving your body, you can style the body type because it's just one, giving the body the width of 100%. So why it's 100% is because it takes the full width of whichever screen you're using. So if I'm using the bigger screen, it takes the full width now. You can see now there's something like this is glitching already because of the width, because we didn't define the width. Yeah. So if I reuse this, sorry. So if I use the still glitches or the still overflows, so now what I'll do is just come here and then I'll define my width also. I decide to make it 90% or better still 100%. So but then that's background image still upload. So we're going to start with the image itself. So background size rather cover. Now this is covering the whole container, so I'm going to make it contain, so it can be in where I want it to be, and then still overflows. So what I have to do, just come here and then overflow X, because it's on the horizontal axis. X is horizontal axis, Y is vertical axis. Overflow X hidden. So my screen now is no longer shaky again, but then I still have this lag here. So what I'm gonna have to do is make this with 80%. It's factory now. So with this now, I can remove this, and then but my website is shaking, so I don't need that. So I just have to keep it again. Overflow X. So I will have an overflow horizontally on my website. So that's that. So we touched okay, now image and text size. So with this now, let's say I want to style only the p tags inside of the container having a D class of schools. So first of all, schools and then p tags. So it starts only p tags inside of this container, this schools container. That's what this particular part does. So I can call this font size rather, not text size. So font size, I can choose one rem, and then let's see how we get it. Since I'm not using this background image for now, so let's just comment that and continue. Then I can also add a font to it and also make it bolder. I can make everything bolder from CSS instead of using the bold tag in HTML. So here I can give it 900 for the font, so everything here is now bold. And also here too, I can change the font family to, there are some default fonts here, so I can choose this. So this is a different font, while this is a different font. Inside of here too, you see the beauty of having class styling and styling the individual p tags. I can have a color here for all the p tags, and then so let's use something different. Let's use dark blue. So we have something different from the rest. And on this part, so we can also have a shadow, box shadow rather. So box shadow. So you can see our box shadow here of so now for the box shadow, now we have to define the box shadow on the left, right, top, and left, right, top, on the bottom. Yeah. So the ones on the left and right, you can either have them by 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 1 pixel, or better still two, since all of them are just 1 pixel, so just 1 pixel, and then define the color as black. So give me a minute. Why is this one coming up? Okay, let's make it 5 pixels outro. Yeah, that's really awesome. So let's see if we have everything. 10 pixels, that's really awesome. Okay. So basically this is it, and then we also have let's see, we also have a border around this, so can have something like a border. We find the thickness of the border first, which is basically 1 pixel, then obviously solid, then we have the black as a color. So this is where we have to create this to about 2-3 pixels. It's thicker, so basically the more point the add, the thicker your line becomes. So this is really for the border radius, border, then the border, the border radius, both of them work hand in hand. Okay, these are the basic things you need. Every other thing boils down to how you make the most out of all of these. So you know how to add background color, how to add the color, which is like the text color or color of content inside of it. So let's say we have the color of this to be green, and then we have the color of the beaters to be blue. If you have one color here that says certificate, this is online course now would be okay, to take red because this precedes. So started by tag preceded by that styling, while started by tag preceded by that styling. Yeah. So let's look for something differently. So let's say we have let's make this expand tag. Yeah. And then it changes to green because every last time in here, inside school container that has not been styled will take the color of green, while these ones would be blue because we are specific. Okay, we need specific tags inside of this class to have a blue color rather. So that's why this precedes this. So yeah. So thank you for this, and then see you in the next class. Bye.